ये कहा जाता है कि प्रजा पे राज करने से पहले खुद पे राज करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, राइट? So very similarly, before you inspire others or lead others, it's very crucial to master the art of self-leadership.
Leaders often face unique challenges and sometimes make common mistakes. What do you think are the biggest challenges leaders encounter? And what are the typical pitfalls they should avoid?
So see, leadership is a journey and sometimes it's very complex. So there are multiple challenges that the leaders could face in the journey. But if you ask me about one common mistake and challenge, I would say is that leaders often try to manage things and in a very similar manner, they try to manage people. Something which is very important to understand is that people cannot be managed. People have to be led. We can be efficient with systems, resources, and things, but we have to be very thoughtful, mindful, and effective with people. So जिस तरह से हम चीज़ों को मैनेज करते हैं, उस तरह से लोगों को हम मैनेज नहीं कर सकते. So that is something which is very crucial to understand. Let me put this as an analogy to an orchestra. You've seen an orchestra, right? It's a group of instruments and musicians. And there's a person who's the conductor of the orchestra. He does not play any instrument, however, he guides and directs. And what he does is he skillfully aligns the team to be able to work together to produce a harmonious symphony. It's a beautiful piece of music which comes out. Now imagine if one of these instrumental musicians, they start playing a different pitch or a different note. What would come out would be a pain to the ear. It would be an unpleasant discord overshadowing the beautiful music, right? So a leader has to be very, very similar to this conductor of the orchestra, whose main goal has always to be making sure that the team is consistently aligned towards a common goal and to be able to make sure that the team harmonizes and synchronizes and creatively puts together their efforts to be able to create something which is extraordinary. Now, what is also important is that in an orchestra, every instrument is vital. हर एक instrument का एक अपना importance है और उसका value है. So a leader should be able to realize the unique capabilities and capacities of the team member, and the leader should be able to give a supportive environment, ecosystem, and opportunities so that the teammates are able to produce the best possible results and they're able to contribute in the best of their potentials. So this is something which I feel that leaders commonly make mistake. चीज़ें डील कर रहा है उसी तरह से हम लोगों के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. So they have to be very mindful. Of course, there are many more challenges which I feel we'll keep talking about as we move ahead in this series.
In your opinion, how critical is self development and personal discipline for a leader's success?
So I would like to, divide this into three parts. Self development, if you talk about, let us divide it into three parts. Like first is I would tell is a self discipline and a self leadership. The second would be self development, and the third I would say is self reflection. Now talking about the first, which is the self leadership. ये कहा जाता है कि प्रजा पे राज करने से पहले खुद पे राज करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, राइट? सो वेरी सिमिलरली बिफोर यू inspire others or lead others, it's very crucial to master the art of self leadership. Now, what does this mean is, just imagine a kingdom and the territories are all within you. So, the four important territories which are important to regulate for the self discipline, the first I would say is the first important territory is the mindset, the mind territory, which I would say is the control center for yourself. And it includes, of course, the thoughts, the values, and attitudes. The second is the heartset. By heartset, I mean is emotional intelligence and emotional quotient that we tell, and the power to deal with people empathetically. So that is the heartset. The third is the health set. Physical health is extremely important. A good diet, a moderate sleep, and regular exercise is very, very important to be able to deal with challenges, to be able to deal with situations as they come ahead. And the fourth, which I personally feel is extremely important, the most crucial, is the soul set. It's about your soul, which gives you a direction and a purpose to do what you have always aimed to do. So this comes with a lot of self-reflection. And the soul set is it's like the center of everything. So you should be able to engage yourself in activities that give you absolute joy and fulfillment, and that is when your soul allows you to move in that correct direction with a purpose. So these are the four territories of a kingdom that one shall be able to self regulate, self lead. Next is, as I talked about, is self development. Now बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, in a leadership position people are like, अब तो हम supreme position पे हैं, there is no need to read, there is no need to attend conferences or workshops or network. But this is something very, very wrong. It's very crucial to understand that a leader must be a continuous learner. So, be it learning from your own experiences, be it learning from others' experiences, be it learning from your colleagues, your subordinates, and be it networking, reading, attending conferences, workshops, it's extremely important for a leader to stay updated with the trends, with the current trends and happenings, so that they are able to foresee what is coming next. So, self development parts are plays a very, very important part in the leadership journey. And the third, as I was telling, is self reflection. What does this mean is being able to introspect and understand that what worked well as you were doing something, what did not work so well, what needs improvisation. So, that is extremely crucial self reflection. And something which is very important in self reflection is feedback. For any organization, feedbacks are very crucial. Not just about the organization, about the processes, and about your own self as a leader. So self-reflection and feedback also play a very, very important role altogether.